Hi, my name is Mohammad Soltanieh, and I will be teaching the Machine Learning and Computer Vision Masterclass. I'm a clinical assistant professor at Boston University, and my research revolves around machine learning and applications of computer vision in cancer research. In this course, you would get to work with different tools, methods, and libraries that are available to perform machine learning, and specifically deep learning algorithms that are designed to help and teach computers to see objects and to perform classifications and object detection. The course is based on Python programming language and different libraries that are accessible in Python. You are expected to know some Python and with coming to the class with prior coding experience. But don't worry if you don't have any. I will be guiding you through the prerequisites about a month before the class starts, so you would get a chance to complete these prerequisites on demand and online during that month, and you will come to the class prepared. The course is a project-based course. Throughout the course, you would be working with the tools and libraries that would be useful in your project, and the final week, you would be spending most of the time working with your teammate to complete your project, and the last day of the class, you would be presenting it in front of the class. I really hope you would take this course, and I look forward to seeing you in the class. Thank you.